Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, November the 23rd, 2020. The third Sudoku is a binary Sudoku, and this one will be number 1924. Alright. What kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double one, here and O, then O. Double one, here and O, then O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, then one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here and O, then O. Double O, here one, then one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Well. Now I need to compare, I think. I do not see any double O's or double ones. Alright, which one shall I compare? This one, the first row, and this row. Empty box O. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1 here and O, there and O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes an 1. We have 4 ones in this last column, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, O there, O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then we need to compare. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright. So double O here. The fourth column and the second column. O O O O 1 1 1 1 O O empty box 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, then O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finished in 4 minutes. Alright, great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the last Sudoku, a tectonic, aka Suguru. It will be. So, see you later. Bye bye for now.